Mara.
And I'm Carolyn.
We're going to talk to you about the pillow method as described in the book Looking Out, Looking In, Chapter 3.
We will be going through the various steps involved in the pillow method along with some video examples. Please enjoy the presentation.
The pillow method is a tool for building empathy. Used properly, it can help an individual understand an issue from other people's perspective. This avoids the egocentric attitude, I'm right and you're wrong. The pillow method consists of 4 positions. Position 1, I'm right, you're wrong. Position 2, you're right, I'm wrong. Position 3, we're both right or we're both wrong. And position 4, the issue isn't as important as it seems. It all comes with the conclusion that there's truth in all perspectives. Now let's take a look at a video example of a health science situation where 2 professionals have to solve their differences using the pillow method. During this video, we will be explaining the 4 positions in more depth.
Okay, Bridget. I was just wondering if I can leave half an hour early today. My daughter's sick and I just wanted to get home to meet the rush hour.
Are you done everything?
Yeah, pretty much done.
Well, as long as you're pretty much done or you get it finished or get someone else to finish, I don't mind if you leave early.
Yeah, I'm sure when I don't finish, I'll get Mara to cover it.
Okay, cool. Alright, thanks.
Let's see what happens when the girls start applying the pillow method, starting with position 1, I'm right, you're wrong. This is the immediate position we usually take when viewing an issue. We see only merit in our position, and nothing but fault in anyone who does not agree with us.
That is so unfair. I can't believe you just did that to me. You left me with all of this work and you didn't even ask me first.
Well, it's my daughter. She's 4 and she really needs me. She's feeling really sick.
In this example, Carolyn feels she is right as she makes her daughter priority and feels it's Mara's job to cover her. Mara views she is right because she now has to finish her own work as well as Carolyn's and does not feel that this is fair. Let's see what happens when the girls enter position 2, you're right, I'm wrong. This is when we switch perspectives with another, build arguments to explain the other person's point of view and find strengths in their argument, and identify flaws in our own arguments.
I guess it is unfair that I left her with all this work. I didn't even ask her.
I guess her daughter is sick. Maybe I should let her go. I'd want someone to do that for me. In this video, both workers are starting to see each other's perspectives. Carolyn remembers a time when someone did this to her, so she can see why Mara would be angry. Mara realizes that Carolyn's daughter is sick, and being in her position, would want someone to cover for her. Let's see what happens when the girls enter position 3, both right or both wrong. This is when we acknowledge the strengths and faults in both arguments to give ourselves a more even-handed look at the same issue. It can help us be less critical and more understanding of another person's point of view.
I'm sorry about what happened. I really should have asked you first. I see where I went wrong. But I really need you to just empathize with me. My daughter is sick and I just really need to get home to her.
That's okay. I can see it from your point of view now. Thanks for apologizing. It was just that before I was overreacting. I think I was just more upset that you didn't ask me first. It's not about the work at all.
From this example, we can see that Carolyn realizes she was right in having a good reason to go home, but wrong by not asking Mara first. Mara realizes that while she was right about being upset that she wasn't asked first, she was wrong about blaming it on the work. Let's see what happens when the girls move into the 4th and final position. The issue isn't as important as it seems. This helps both parties realize the controversy may not be as critical as you both thought, and allows them to realize the argument may be overshadowing more important things, such as your friendship with that person.
Are you sure it's okay? I mean, it's just half an hour. It's not that big of a deal. I can stay, do the rest of the work. It's not going to make that much of a difference.
No, that's okay. I'm okay with doing the work. There's really not that much left anyways. If I were in your position, I'd want you to cover for me. So, no problem. I think you should go.
Okay, thank you so much.
No problem.
In this video, Carolyn realizes what she did was wrong and apologizes. She even offers to stay as she realizes half an hour probably won't make a difference. Mara forgives Carolyn and realizes there isn't that much work left and can finish it as well as hers by the end of the day. The conclusion to this method is that there is a truth in all 4 perspectives. It helps you recognize each position holds some merit. It helps you gain a new understanding and increases your tolerance for other people's positions. Ultimately, you can use the pillow method to improve the climate in which you communicate with others. In the video example, both workers use the pillow method to develop empathy for each other's position, ultimately allowing them to resolve their issues while maintaining a professional environment.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it.
We hope our presentation has helped you to understand the tools necessary for building empathy towards others and resolving conflict. Thank you.